Hi, name is Rodrigo. I'm working for a company called The Ram People, and today we'll be sharing our experience with the Amasty plugins. Amasty, which is a company we work for about 8 to 10 years, providing us plugins, different types of plugins for our Magento shops. Today I'll be sharing our experience with a plugin called Custom Stock Status. Basically, what this plugin do is just changing the label, the in and out of stock label, to more personalized labels to fit the needs of the shop. We like to use this a point of to point at different types, build to order, lead times to customers, different lead times on the product, and also estimation to be back in stock. I'm going to show just an example here of being a configurable product, which most items are okay in stock. So as you click, nothing will happen. But if you were to select a product that is not in stock, you can always set estimation, estimate to be back in stock. We normally use the time of the month, early, middle, or end of the month, and then the month itself. So when the item is expected to be back in stock instead of a precise date. There's also functionality to add a precise date, but we prefer to use this way. And you can also have different settings like build to order labels, similar to what you're having here. That would be a build to order. You can also add the lead time, similar to what you're going to have in here. Lead time on the label. You can manually set this to be anything you like on the text, so it makes it very easy to customize. And also you can use this in multilingual shops. For example, we have our German shop, and we tend to use this as well to create different labels for our customers in Germany. We also have in French. So basically you can have this into any language, like I said, because this is manually added into the system. So that is our positive feedback to this plugin.